of the school, I have demanded here. You can see now many things which we came here. It was not, this block was not there. These things are not there. But now, whenever I said I demand from Father, Father said that, okay, we will do it. So that words that Father has promised, and finally, now we can see many things here, lots of improvement. So always I demand from Father. Now we can see. When I came here, when for the welcoming, I feel that as we are in the Don Bosco school and Rongkon Chura like that, I feel. So that was the many things that I have learned, and now finally, I will be going to learn the third place, that is third chapter that I will be working, and whatever I have learned here, it will be useful for me, and it is a great privilege for me to learn many things working with Father. So that was, I will just for the short time with her, but I have also it is a privilege with her to work here in the school, and whenever something or discussion, always she comes to my office with a smiling faces, Father, it will be okay. So that was something that I have experienced with sister working in the school. So thank you, dear sister. And also we have a sister Sumita. She is like a motherly, and she's senior. When I came, I always approach to her also. Is it that things will work like that? So I always ask the suggestion and advice from the sister. So thank you, sister, for your help. And I also thank all the teachers, Sir Josemon and other teachers, and Father has mentioned. It is for me, I don't keep a distance, though I don't say I am a vice principal. I should not talk with them, but I really feel with you all that during the short time, or maybe whenever I get free time, I always come and make fun of you. And I always enjoy with you making fun, talking each other. So that was the great joy that I enjoyed with you. So whenever the teachers come and tell something, so that message with the good things or the bad things, that message I always carry, and I approach to Father. That was because of you, the teachers and students. This program was well arranged. So thank you, dear teachers. And finally, I also thank all my dear students. As Sir Sam said, in the short break and the lunch break, it was for me it's a great pleasure. It was I find the meaningful in the short break going and talking with the students. I always ask the first question, the students, what is your name, which class are you studying, where is your house? So that was my first question. I always ask that. And in the class, though I may not be a good teacher, but I always try first just to crack a joke, just to make a fun or something, to bring the message and tell something about the new things. Then only I try to begin my chapter or my class. So that way I enjoy those the students, those who passed out of matric, and those who are still the class 10 and now present class 9 and class 8. I have been taking class for them. I really enjoyed with you all, their students, for being friendly with me, and I will never forget.
With the air, open atmosphere and open window to deal with him, interact with him, express our opinions, and then he is to make his suggestions. That way we appreciate the Father for all the way that he has done, whatever service he has rendered to the institution and to each one of you. And then perhaps he must have touched each one of you in different ways according to the need and years through his interaction. I am 100% sure. So we wish him all the best for the service that he has been rendering to this institution, as well as when he is going to shoulder the new responsibility there in the new place in Chandrapur as the principal of the school and as the in charge of the institution there. And may God Almighty bless him abundantly and then overshadow with his showers of grace on him, so that he will be able to animate the community, animate the institution, and motivate the students with great intelligence and with great power and willpower and with